Does your Audi have a semi-automatic tow bar, but you don't know how to use it? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the semi-automatic tow bar of your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Unlock and open the luggage compartment of your Audi. On the inside of the luggage compartment you will find this button. By using this button, you will release the semi-automatic tow bar, which will come out from underneath the vehicle. By bringing the tow bar upwards, you will lock the tow bar, which is confirmed by hearing a click. When the tow bar is fully secured, it is ready for use. To retract the semi-automatic tow bar, you must click on the button on the inside of the luggage compartment again. By doing so, the Audi will release the semi-automatic tow bar. By pushing it back underneath the vehicle, the automatic tow bar will be stored again. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.